In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Prime Video language settings, both interface and subtitles/audio, using your account. Let's start by clearing up what we're changing. There are two parts to language on Prime Video. The interface language controls the menus, buttons, and overall app text. Separately, each show or movie can have its own audio tracks and subtitle options. You'll adjust both to get the experience you want. First, let's change the interface language. On a web browser, go to Prime Video and sign in. Open your profile menu, then choose Account and Settings. On the Account and Settings page, find the Language tab. Here, you'll see a list of supported interface languages. Pick the language you want, then click Save. This updates the menus and labels across Prime Video. Keep in mind, this change doesn't automatically switch the audio or subtitle language of what you watch. That part is set inside each video during playback. Next, let's set the audio and subtitles for a specific show or movie. Start playing your title. On desktop, hover your mouse over the video player to reveal the controls. On mobile, tap the screen. Look for the speech bubble icon, sometimes labeled Subtitles and Audio, and select it. You'll see available audio tracks and subtitle languages for that title. Choose your preferred audio language if multiple tracks are offered, and pick the subtitle language you want. Not every title includes every language, so if you don't see an option, it may not be available for that content. If your device supports it, you can also open subtitle settings to adjust the style, such as size, color, and background, to make reading easier for you. There's one more option that may be available depending on your region. In some places, such as India, Prime Video lets you set streaming language preferences at the profile level. From the Who's Watching screen, select Edit Profile, then choose Manage Streaming Languages. Pick up to 5 languages. These preferences help Prime Video recommend shows and movies in the languages you care about. Availability can vary, so if you don't see this option, it might not be supported in your region yet. To recap, update the interface language from Account and Settings to change menus, set audio and subtitles during playback for each title, and, where supported, choose streaming language preferences to improve recommendations. That's it. Simple, clear, and tailored to your viewing needs.